Canadians are being alerted to prepare their defenses.
Given that we've seen the spread go global, there's a higher likelihood that we'll see an outbreak in Canada.
Canada's health minister saying we have to take seriously the likelihood the new coronavirus will become a pandemic.
Although today very few people are at risk in terms of actually contracting the coronavirus, we want Canadians to be prepared to take action if we see an outbreak in any community.
It comes as more new cases of COVID-19 are now being reported outside China than inside, according to the World Health Organization. Two countries in particular, Italy and Iran, are seeing their outbreaks spreading fast within their own borders and to neighboring countries. But Ottawa has no plans at the moment to send a plane to bring any more Canadians home from parts of the world hit hard by coronavirus.
We have pockets of people who need consular assistance, and that's what we're doing. But there's not been a request, nor there's a plan to repatriate a significant group of people. People can use commercial means to come back.
Canada's Foreign Affairs Minister is urging Canadians to keep track of the government's travel advisories.
Before you travel for the March break, make sure you register and make sure you know where you're going. This is a very fluid situation.
The Japanese Prime Minister has called for all sports events to be cancelled or curbed as the threat of the coronavirus looms over the 2020 Tokyo Olympics.
Obviously, the coronavirus is something which has come from left field, and none of us expected that.
Though officials are considering scaling down the torch relay, it's still too early to talk about a possible cancellation of the July Games.
We're dealing with it, we're taking good advice, and we remain, as our partners are, the IOC and the Tokyo government and the organising committee, confident that the Games will go ahead.
In the US, it's not a matter of if, but when. President Donald Trump set to hold a news conference alongside representatives from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention after coronavirus fears spooked markets. As investors grow concerned about the economic impact of the epidemic, Trump complained in a tweet that the media was doing everything possible to make the virus look as bad as possible. Trump's re-election campaign is banking on a strong economy. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.